Hey everyone, it's Deb here. I hope you can hear me over the noise of the furnace, but we definitely need the heat today because it's chilly and it's cold and it's snowy, but it's still really nice in here. So this order is from Sant Greenhouses. That's George Sant and Son. They are in Ontario, Canada. We're in Canada, if you didn't know. And we get quite a few things from them. So let's see what we've got today. These are begonias, non-stop mocha orange bright. So these are going to go in a hanging basket. They're very pretty. Coleus Kong rose, little baby plants. They look great. These are impatiens. Ooh, this is a new one. Sun Patient Magenta. Royal Magenta. I saw this at a conference and it was amazing. So I'm excited to have this. Oh, it looks like a pansy. Cool Wave mix. We put those in baskets as well. Okay, this is Tradescantia Nanook. Sometimes it's called bubblegum, but I think they're actually different varieties. But when it has that pink, it's often called bubblegum, but it is called Nanook. Very pretty. Wow. I thought I only ordered 50, but looks like I have 100. And this is a geranium, Solera fuchsia. So this is also a new variety that I saw at a conference. Another geranium, another Solera fuchsia. That's the new one. And Solera fuchsia, more of those. Okay, what is up here though that's all netted? Oh, I know what this is. These are bananas. Oh, they look so good. They're probably too tall, so they laid them down to save on freight. These are so nice. Oh, the leaves look perfect. We'll have to get those planted right away. More begonias. Iconia Miss Montreal. These go in the coral shades basket. This is probably more Iconia. Yeah, Miss Montreal. Some of them go on the bench as well, but I know they go on a hanging basket mix. Okay, what is this, honey? Clayton's filming for me. More Solera fuchsia geranium. Okay. We're getting there. More Nanook. I thought I only ordered 50, but I'll have to check. I'm not complaining. Yeah, hopefully not 500. That would be more than I have a market for. Okay, another begonia Miss Montreal. That one's empty. Begonia Miss Montreal. For sure the top two trays. And let's check the bottom one. No, this is different. Mocha orange bright, so the same as the first one. That's it. That's what we have on today's unboxing. Thanks for watching.